Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr., tired of waiting around on a couple of bills stuck in Senator Mike San Nicolas's committee, held what one man called an illegal hearing. PNC's Tim Blas-McHenry has more.
Here to question the procedure, then I'm gonna dismiss you now. But if
An argument between legislative staffer acting in his personal capacity, John Paul Manuel, and Senator Dennis Rodriguez broke out over a hearing for Bill 188, a hearing that Manuel says was illegal.
Legal counsel says this is an illegal hearing.
Mr. Manuel,
legal counsel says this is not within the law. I'm going to stop you from doing that testimony, and you can send me a written testimony. Okay, thank you very much.
we'll have for those of you who are here.
This is another example of an illegal hearing
Mr. Sergeant at Arms,
that is putting raises and retros outside of the rules of public hearing.
The issue is over Bill 188, introduced by Senator Dennis Rodriguez to provide incentive pay for Division of Environmental Health workers. Because Senator San Nicolas's oversight over this particular bill, he held the legislation telling DEH workers in private that the funding was not available for such a bill. But Senator Rory Spicio points out that the hearing is strictly defined as an informational hearing, saying that allowing Rodriguez to hold this hearing as a public hearing would set a dangerous precedent.
Have to be mindful that along with Senator Rodriguez, there's 14 other members of the legislature that are all in a similar situation where they may feel that their bills aren't publicly heard. And if we allow one instance where this committee is going to go above and beyond what the standing rules provide, we are not going to have order in this institution.
Despite the arguments, DEH officials largely supported the bill, even going as far as to say Senator San Nicolas is wrong about the lack of funding for the bill. DEH workers who spoke at the hearing said they are worried that the bill will die in San Nicolas's committee, where it has been for 7 months without an official public hearing. In this private meeting, San Nicolas told DEH workers that their funding source for the bill, quote, looked good on paper, but was not practical. DEH Administrator Tom Nadeau says that to his knowledge, the money to fund an incentive pay program for DEH workers was available.
I can only say what's indicated on AS 400, and there's money there in account.
Senator Rory Spicio says that because this was not an official public hearing, any testimony is not official testimony towards Bill 188. Senator San Nicolas has oversight and thus the authority to hold any official public hearing on Bill 188. For PNC News, I'm Tim Blas-McHenry.